get started. First, you're going to need Cydia, obviously. And then you're going to go into that. And what you're going to look for, search unlim tones. And it's right there, as you can see. But I already have it installed, so I'm not going to download it again. But anyways, once you have that downloaded, you can back out of that and click the application. Now, as you can see, it's pretty easy to figure out that you can also make ringtones, not just download them. So I'm going to make one for you guys just to show you it actually works. And then I'm going to show you that it adds it to my ringtone library after. But that's not for now anyways. So I'll just shorten it to 30 seconds. Oh fuck, this is hard. I don't know. Why won't it work? Yeah. And you won't be able to hear it because there's no audio, but it's working, so. But yeah, so this application will get you free ringtones. You can make them with whatever song you want, chop them up, whatever part of the song you want. Yeah. And now, once you have finished making your ringtone, or downloading your ringtone or whatever, go into settings. And you're going to go into sounds, and you look in your ringtones, and it should be where all the stock ringtones are, right there. And yeah, so that's how you make your own ringtones and stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, comment, usual.